Today we're making Guinness chocolate puddings for St. Patrick's Day. Hey everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making Guinness chocolate puddings. These cakes are almost like a molten lava cake with a soft chocolatey center, and that stout really adds a beautiful flavor to the cake. Now the difference with this Guinness chocolate pudding is I've added a little special twist on top, a whiskey whipped cream. Optional, but recommended. These cakes are so easy to pull together, they only take 5 ingredients. And they're easily made gluten-free if you swap out your Guinness for a gluten-free stout. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Feel free to pause. I'll list the ingredients in the description below. This will make about 4 puddings, and to make it easier for you to get the pudding out, you'll want to really well butter your ramekin. Into a double boiler, we're going to put 150 grams of butter, cubed up, and 200 grams of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa solids. You want this to all just melt together. You can also do this in the microwave, just stirring every 30 seconds or so to make sure the chocolate's not burning. Now that our mixture is mostly melted, let's take it off the double boiler, let it cool on the counter, and those residual bits will continue to melt in the heat of the mix. To our stand mixer, we're going to add our 3 eggs and 90 grams of castor sugar. You can use granulated in this instance. I'm using castor because it dissolves a little bit easier. We're going to set this to medium-high speed and sprinkle in our sugar. This has been going on the highest speed for about 5 minutes, and it will leave a little trail on the top when it's ready. Now that our eggs are whipped, our chocolate is cooled, and our ramekins are prepared, we're ready to combine all of our ingredients together. We're going to gently fold in our stout and our chocolate to our egg mix. The Guinness mixed with the chocolate smells incredible. Our mixture is fully combined, it's still light and beautifully chocolatey. We're just going to pour it into our ramekins. These will need to set up in the fridge for at least an hour before baking. The great thing is you can make them ahead and pop them in the oven as you're eating your dinner. When the puddings are just about ready to come out, we're going to preheat our oven. We want it at 200 degrees centigrade or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I've got it at 180 Fahm. You'll want to set your rack about medium high in your oven so that you get a nice amount of heat from the top. While the puddings are baking, let's make our whiskey whipped cream topping. Whisk up your double or heavy cream, add in your sugar and a little bit of whiskey just to flavor. This is what it should look like at the end. If you don't have whiskey, you can use Irish cream in this whipped cream. Just omit the sugar because there's already enough sugar in the Irish cream. You'll want to let these cool for just a minute or two, then put your cream on top and serve while still warm. The chocolate is so bold and rich and in your face. It's not very sweet. That richness and the dark, really cocoa-iness comes through. And then you've got that light cream with the whiskey and sugar on top, which I know I said is optional, but highly, highly recommended here. It really just lightens the whole dish. Saying that, the whole thing is just like a cloud. It's so airy, like a mousse on the inside. And you've got that nice little bit of crustiness on the outside from that bit that's cooked up that little bit firmer. Get a little bit of both on your spoon. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos. We'll see you next time.